Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change carpet cleaning mode on your ROBOROCK Saros 10R. To change the carpet cleaning mode, you should go to your app and go to the settings in the top right corner. Find carpet cleaning setting and now you can change it all here. Now you can set it to add a detach mop cloth mounts to vacuum carpet first, which means that your robot at first will go all around the house, clean the carpets without the mop cloth mounted. Then it will go to the station, automatically attach that, and clean everywhere else besides the carpet. You can enable carpet boost, so when it detects carpet, it turns on suction power to maximum. You can, instead of that, you can also set it to lift mop cloth mounts to vacuum carpets, which is going to be quicker, but it may make the carpet a little wet. So you can avoid that by setting it to that. But if you want the cleaning to be faster, you can select lift mop cloth mounts to vacuum carpet. Now you can also, instead of that, select avoid, which means it will not clean carpets at all. It will just go around them. Cross, which will disable suction, disable mopping, and just cross over the carpets but not do anything on them, like not clean them. Or ignore, which means that it will normally clean as if there were no carpets, even though there may be, but it's most suitable for environments where there is no carpet or where mats can be mopped, like rubber mats. Then, to prevent some accidental recognition of a carpet, you can set it to ignore and it'll always just clean the floor because you don't have carpets that cannot be mopped. And that is basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.